Hey Doug community, DynamicsCon Virtual is almost here. If you're new to DynamicsCon Virtual or new to our event platform, Brella, I want to quickly share with you how to get started. Start by clicking the join URL attached to this video, brella.io/join/DynamicsCon Virtual. It'll take you to a page that looks like this.
Click Get Started, enter your email, fill in a few required details below, and create your account. If it prompts you to enter a join code for a specific event, type join code DynamicsCon Virtual. Here's where we get to know you a bit. You can choose a profile picture, profile banner, and fill in your company name and job title. Next, you set up your networking profile. Select an event persona and your industry. Then select your interests. Through Brella's matchmaking process, Brella will suggest people who chose similar interests as you, so you can find each other more easily and connect. You have to select at least one interest to continue, but the extent of your matchmaking beyond that is optional. Next, introduce yourself in a brief bio, choose your country, click Join Event, and you're in. You'll be taken to your main dashboard. From here, you can get to all the resources you'll need for this conference.
You can join me in the next tutorial where I go over a quick overview of the Brella platform or have fun exploring yourself. Thanks, Doug community. We'll catch you in Brella on November 13th.